In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get newly listed home notification emails on Zillow with a step-by-step walkthrough on Zillow.com. Starting off, the first thing you need to do is head over to the Zillow website by typing www.zillow.com into your browser's address bar. Once there, ensure you are logged into your account. If you aren't logged in, you'll see a Sign In button in the top right corner. Just click on that and enter your credentials. Next, type in the location where you want to search for new listings in the search bar. It can be a city, neighborhood, or even a zip code, depending on how specific you'd like to get. After entering your desired location, click the search button, usually represented by a magnifying glass icon. This will direct you to the results page populated with available homes in the area you selected. Now, on the results page, focus your attention on the right corner where you'll find a Sort option. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. From the list, make sure to select Newest. This will immediately sort the listings, showing the most recently posted properties at the top of your list. With your search results sorted by newest, the following step is to save this search. For that, simply look for the Save Search button. It's usually near the top of the listings or towards the right side of the page. Click on this button and a pop-up will appear. In this pop-up menu, click on the Instant option under Notifications. This step is crucial if you want to receive alerts as soon as new homes are listed. It's an effective way to stay on top of fresh opportunities in the housing market. Now, you'll be prompted to choose the frequency of these notification emails. You have a few options, but for the purpose of getting immediate updates, select Daily. This ensures that the latest listings are delivered straight to your inbox every day. Don't forget to hit Update to save your preferences. This step confirms that Zillow will email you based on your personalized settings. To check your saved search and manage these alerts anytime, click on FX in the header, then go to Saved Searches. This page displays all your saved parameters and their notification status. Make sure that the subscriptions for these notifications are turned on. This is the final check to ensure you're set to receive listings directly via email. And there we are, all done. You can now expect to get email notifications for newly listed homes in your chosen location, allowing you to act quickly on new opportunities. This method not only saves